Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Flix on Firestick so you can access a massive collection of movies, TV shows, and live channels on your big screen. While the app is not available on the official Amazon App Store, the installation process is quick and simple if you use a downloader app and a few system tweaks. The first step is to prepare your Firestick to accept third-party application by unlocking the hidden developer menu. You should head over to the home screen, select the settings gear icon, and then click on My Fire TV. If you do not see a developer option listed, click on About and highlight the name of your Fire Stick. Then press and select button on your remote 7 times until a message appears saying you are now a developer. Now you can go back to one screen, enter developer option, and make sure that Install Unknown app is turned on for the developer tool. Next, you need to open the Downloader app, which is available for free in the official Amazon App Store. Once you open the downloader, you will see a URL search box where you should type the address flixvision.app and hit the Go button. This will take you to the official website where you need to scroll down and click on the download button for the latest version of the app. The file will begin downloading immediately, and once it finishes, a window will pop up asking if you want to install it. Simply click Install and then click Done to finalize the setup. After the installation is finished, it is a good idea to click the Delete button in the Downloader app to remove the installation file and save space on your device. You can now find the Flix Vision app in your apps and channel list and move it to the front for easy access.